Hello friends, welcome to Pagoji topics of this video. 1. What is Internet of Things, IoT? 2. Key characteristics of IoT. 3. Examples of IoT applications. 4. Challenges and considerations. The Internet of Things, IoT, refers to a network of interconnected physical devices, objects, and systems that are embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies, allowing them to collect and exchange data over the Internet. These devices can range from everyday objects like appliances and vehicles to industrial machinery and even entire smart cities. The concept behind IoT is to create a digital ecosystem where physical objects can communicate, share information, and make intelligent decisions without direct human involvement. Key characteristics of IoT. Connectivity. IoT devices are connected to the Internet, enabling them to communicate with each other and central servers or cloud platforms. Sensors and actuators. IoT devices are equipped with sensors to collect data from the environment, such as temperature, humidity, location, and motion, and actuators to perform actions based on that data, such as turning on lights or adjusting thermostats. Data processing. IoT devices can process the data they collect, often using embedded software or edge computing capabilities to make decisions or trigger actions locally. Communication. IoT devices use various communication technologies, such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular networks, Zigbee, and LoRa WAN, to exchange data with other devices or central systems. Cloud integration. Many IoT systems use cloud platforms to store and analyze data, allowing for scalability, remote management, and data-driven insights. Automation. IoT devices can automate tasks and processes based on the data they gather, making systems more efficient and responsive. Examples of IoT applications. Smart homes. IoT-enabled devices like thermostats, lights, door locks, and appliances can be controlled remotely and intelligently based on user preferences and sensor inputs. Wearable devices. Fitness tracker, smartwatches, and health monitoring devices gather and analyze user data for health and wellness purposes. Industrial IoT, IoT. In manufacturing and industry, IoT devices monitor equipment health, optimize production processes, and enhance predictive maintenance. Smart cities. IoT technologies can be used to manage traffic flow, monitor air quality, control street lights, and improve overall urban infrastructure. Connected vehicles. IoT-enabled vehicles can communicate with each other and infrastructure to improve safety, traffic management, and efficiency. Agriculture. IoT sensors help monitor soil moisture levels, weather conditions, and crop health to optimize farming practices. Healthcare. IoT devices can track patient vitals, assist with remote monitoring, and enable telemedicine services. Challenges and considerations. Security. IoT devices can be vulnerable to cyber attacks due to their connectivity. Ensuring strong security measures is crucial to protect data and maintain user privacy. Privacy. The data collected by IoT devices can be sensitive, so handling user data ethically and transparently is essential. Interoperability. As the IoT ecosystem grows, ensuring that devices from different manufacturers can communicate seamlessly becomes more challenging. Scalability. Managing a large number of devices and the data they generate requires scalable infrastructure and data management solutions. Data management and analysis. The sheer volume of data collected by IoT devices requires effective strategies for storage, analysis, and deriving actionable insights. Energy efficiency. Many IoT devices are battery-powered, so optimizing power consumption is critical for longer device lifespans and reduced environmental impact. The Internet of Things has the potential to revolutionize industries, improve efficiency, and enhance daily life. However, addressing the technical, ethical, and security challenges associated with IoT is crucial to realizing its full potential in a safe and beneficial manner. Please like this video if you liked the content. Share this video with your near and dear ones. Let me know your comments in the comments section. Check out our other videos in this channel. For more interesting videos like this, subscribe to my channel at Pagojai TV. Thank you.